Called this emergency teacher appreciation meeting because even though we had agreed on this amazing idea, gifting teachers this for everything they do, we had another good idea sneak in the last minute. Janet was doing what Janet does best, and on Pinterest, during school hours, and she came across this idea. I know what you're thinking. It's just a brown paper bag, right? So they come in, this is in their mailbox, and there's a little note inside. And the note says, "This bag may look empty, but it's filled with love." They're gonna be speechless. They are gonna be speechless. This is brilliant. Janet, somebody get her pay raise. No, just kidding, we can't do that. But this is gonna be the best teacher appreciation week ever.